Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid kong star viewers? Pakilakasan na lang po ng volume ng reading na ito dahil hindi ko po gamit ang aking mahiwagang microphone. Again, iba-iba po yung gamit ng gadgets natin, so might as well, siguro magandang pakinggan nyo yung reading na ito during at night or kung saan wala masyadong o hindi matao ang area ninyo para mas maintindihan nyo pa lalo or marinig nyo lalo itong reading na ito. As a reminder, this is general reading mga kapatid. Just take what's yours. If not, then hindi yun para sa inyo. Wag lang po tayong bitter. Kung hindi kayo makakasunit, wala po tayong sapilitan dito mga kapatid. Love, love, love lang po tayo dito sa aking The Star Talking Tarot. Sa lahat ng mga subscriber ko dito, guys, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik nyo dito sa aking The Star Talking Tarot YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dito. And sa mga cross-watcher, maraming salamat for stopping by here, watching any of my tarot reading videos. Maraming salamat po sa mga suporta dito sa mga sumusuporta dito sa aking YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. So, ang reading po natin mga kapatid is, ito ang senyales na siya ang forever ninyo. No? So, this is collective and timeless whenever you watch this reading or somehow this video na mabasa inyong social media or sa YouTube channel ninyo or sa YouTube, no? Somehow ay nakita nyo ito, then maybe you have a special message here or curious kayo, maybe this is the right time for you na mapanood itong reading na ito na senyales or signs na siya ang inyong forever. You could be single right now or currently in relationship or married, but then again, ito po ay senyales, no? So hingi tayo ng senyales from the universe na siya na ba talaga or at least may clue tayo na siya ang magiging forever ninyo. Alright? So this is katuwaan lang ito mga kapatid, wag lang tayong bitter, wag lang po natin masyadong seryosohin ito. Baka lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay married at baka you might be relying on this reading. So, wag lang po tayong masyadong seryoso. This is just a sign, no? Senyales na you could be, unless na meron kayong specific person na hinihingi ninyo or siguro you are hoping na sana siya na ang forever ninyo. But then again, katuwaan lang po ito mga kapatid. Kung hindi kayo, or somehow hindi kayo agree sa reading na ito, then maybe hindi talaga to para sa inyo or wag lang tayo talagang bitter, no? So maybe there's someone out there na para talaga sa inyo. And I do believe na each of us here, no, in this world, meron talaga tayong meant to be a person that we are destined to be together, no? So minsan talaga I'm also getting like sabihin natin na kailang relationship na kayo, but then again, I guess you just have to wait, no, till the divine or the universe na ibigay sa inyo ang para sa inyo, no? So wag lang tayong atat, lalong-lalo kung ikaw ay single at this moment. I think it's better for you na maghintay hanggang sa tamang panahon ay ibibigay ng universe para sa inyo, para hindi na tayo or hindi kayo maligaw sa ibang karelasyon, ano. And that's why that could be the reason kung bakit until now hindi nyo pa nakita ang inyong forever is because maybe it's not just meant to be. And again, hingi tayo ng signs kay universe kung sino talaga ang meant to be ninyo. Alright? So, first things first, kunin natin ang energy ng inyong person. No? This could be your current person right now, or this could be your future, or this could be your past. But again, kunin nyo lang mga kapatid kung saan ka na-person ito, right? Wag lang po tayo magalit agad kung hindi nyo naintindihan or hindi ka nakaka-relate or resonate ito sa reading, no? Spirit Angels, let us know about the person that they are destined to be with na, or yung forever ng ating mga collective. Spirit Angels. Alright. How is this person? Wow. 3 of Wands. Maybe your person might be in abroad, especially if you are dealing with a long distance relationship, or maybe you could, siguro yung iba sa inyo may ka-chat na, or maybe hoping na, or siguro gusto mo ng I'm hearing like long-term partner. This could be siguro may mga ka-chat na kayo mga kapatid, or yung iba sa inyo may ka-chatmate na, hoping na sana ay siya na ang forever ninyo. So again, confirm, meron yung iba sa inyo dito, you could be dealing, your forever will be far away. Siguro kailangan mo pa mag-travel, or a foreigner, or this person could be married or committed or in a relationship right now, or somehow you could be dealing with a person na nagta-travel or a business, business travel. So again, kunin nyo lang mga kapatid kung saan ka nakarating. Ito ang sinyalis, isa sa mga sinyalis na siya ang forever ninyo. So right now, your person is like, we'll say, if you are in a relationship with this person, maybe your person is in abroad, nagtatrabaho, focus siya sa kanyang mga responsibility, especially if this is your husband or your spouse, you know what I mean? Yeah, wala siyang, well, again, maglagay talaga tayo ng tiwala sa ating mga partner, ano? Huwag tayo mag-isip ng iba na may karelasyon siyang iba. But then again, you could be dealing with a person na, yung iba sa inyo dito, married. Or this could be you in a relationship with a married person. No? And, I'm getting like there is like a third party situation yung iba, no? In a relationship with a third party. Okay? Ang dami kong nakukuha energy when it comes to this Three of Wands. Okay? Yeah, so your person is like, alright, so focus muna tayo sa kanyang point of view, no? Because this person is holding on to their future. My God, I'm hearing like past. You could be dealing with the past person. Kaya lang, there's like third party. Maybe your past person is, even if your person is already committed sa iba, married, okay? This person is still holding on to you from the past. Something about holding on from the past memories. But then again, more on focus siya sa kinabukasan niya at this moment. Alright? Yung iba naman dito, siguro, mangingisda. I'm hearing like mangingisda or focus siya sa kanyang trabaho muna. Siguro this person might have 2 children or 3 children. And this could be the person na yung nakatatlong karelasyon na siya, pero sa tatlong karelasyon niya, ikaw ang napaka-the best para sa kanya. And that's why this person still holding on into this memories. Parang hanggang memories na lang. Because, like again, yung iba sa inyo dito, this could be your past person. Alright? And yung iba naman is, this could be a future person na maybe at this moment, married siya or committed. But then once this person is ready, magkaroon siya ng freedom. Okay? Yeah. The Hangman is the bottom of the deck and followed by the Two of Swords. So this person could be married. No? Is still tied up. Ano pa rin siya anong tawag dito? Yeah, may lubid pa rin. Or something about like, may cord pa rin na sa kanya, attach. Yeah, something about attachment sa taong ito. Or siguro until now, you are still attached from the past. But then again, we are talking about yung forever ninyo, yung iba. No, na dealing with the past and third party. Alright? So this person, even if this person is already married, when the time is ready na magkaroon siya ng freedom, yeah, you will be meeting this person in the future. Maybe there's still to be continued sa inyong relasyon or relationship in the future. Okay? And I'm also getting like, it's still up to you guys. You don't have to wait. No? You just have to keep going or moving forward because this person, even if it's like sabihin natin na past person ninyo, okay? Kahit na past person nyo na siya, your person right now is like, you are still, your person still holding on from the memories with you. But then again, focus na lang muna siya sa kanyang mga responsibility. Alright? Kahit na, see, meron kasi dito naguguluhan siya. Dealing with like maybe you could be in a relationship with this person or somehow this person could be married already. No? Kahit na single ka pa ngayon, but then again, hindi natin alam, hindi natin control ang ating future. It's still up to you. You will have a chance when you meet this person. It's still up to you if you want to be in a relationship with this person. If you want to wait, no? Kasi meron itong in a relationship na sa third party eh. Alam nyo guys, if you believe in destiny talaga na if it's meant to be for you, it's meant to be for you. So, meron kasi nahihirapan eh. Nahihirapan kang mag-let go sa taong ito dahil siguro talaga mahal na mahal mo siya. Siguro talaga if you are destined to this person, siya talaga yung maging forever mo, no? But then again, I think it's better for you na sino ba naman ako, mga kapatid, na magbigay ng I'm not trying to force you, ano. So, if you're in a relationship with this person or married pa siya sa iba, I think you should just wait or let this person make a decision. Kasi hindi pwede na dalawa kayo eh. No? Hindi talaga pwede kasi, again, merong judgment. You will be facing a huge karma. So, make the right decision. Ano ba talaga ang dapat gawin? Hindi pwede na dalawa kayo. But again, it's still up to you. Kasi again, if you believe in judgment, karma, if it's meant to be for you, meant to be for you. So, if this person is committed with somebody else, maybe for me, let go this person. If this person choose their, yung pamilya niya, then hayaan mo siya. Okay? Hayaan mo siya. But if this person wants you, then let this person, let go let go niya muna itong karelasyon niya sa iba. Kasi sa ngayon, medyo nahihirapan itong taong ito eh, na mag-let go sa isa sa inyo. Hindi nga niya alam kung alin sa inyo ang i-let go. Siguro because there is like a children involved. Yeah, may 2 or 3 anak ito na hindi niya kayang masaktan. Yun siguro talaga ang number 1 na nahihirapan ang person ninyo to let go their current situation. Kasi may mga bata na involved. And yung iba naman sa inyo dito, again, this could be the person na married sa iba. But then when this person got a chance na magiging or divorce, separation, you will meet this person at the right time. But it's still up to you, mga kapatid, kung if you want to be in a relationship na may anak na. Alright? As long as this person is single, single dad, single mom, yun talaga, if it's meant to be for you, meant to be for you. Siya ang forever ninyo. As long as walang kahati, like another woman or another man. So, yeah. So, this is the current situation ng person ninyo. Alright? Spirit guardian angels. Meron din ditong ex eh. Yeah. Ex na until now still thinking about you even if this person's already married. Alright. Ano pa? Yeah. You could be dealing with a air sign, fire sign, or Virgo. Yeah, karamihan dito is air and fire sign. Okay? Okay, so, alright, I'm also getting like, your person might be in a hermit mode, being alone, loner. Alright? Maybe a struggle, no? Siguro may mga struggle siya sa finances niya, or somehow sa spirituality. Your person could be in a spirituality mood, like mga awakening, mga realization. Yeah. Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, wala kayong communication or hindi mo pa siya na-meet. No contact and walang communication, or somehow hindi lang taga kayo nag-uusap, kahit nasabihin natin nakikita man kayo, pero walang communication. And yung iba naman sa inyo dito is, this will be your future person. Wala talaga kayong as in communication, hindi mo pa siya kilala. But one day, sa pagka-travel niya, you will be meeting this person at the right time. Siguro, married pa siya, in a relationship pa, and hindi pa siya available. But then, when this person is available, yeah, you will be meeting this person at the right time in the future. Okay? Yeah. Karamihan sa dito is may mga distance talaga, malayo. No? Yeah, like a long distance relationship. If you're in a relationship already, like LDR, this could be your forever kasi meron itong distance talaga. Lumalabas talaga itong distance. Yeah, marriage. Yung iba sa inyo dito is, it's confirmed, ito yung partner ninyo. Husband, wife, no? Yeah, married. Okay. Meron naman ditong nahihirapan. Okay, meron talaga ditong third party din. Alright, third party, and yeah, soulmate. You guys, yeah. Again, guys, if you are single right now, please do not rush into a relationship kasi kung nagmamadali kayo to be in a relationship, baka mapunta lang kayo sa maling tao. Masasaktan lang kayo. It's like a waste of time. So let the universe, allow the universe to, for you and your soulmate to meet each other at the right time. Para naman na siya na talaga. Hindi, walang masayang na luha, walang masayang na panahon. Right? So ano pa? Like again, confirm this is like your partner na marriage kasi meron itong marriage. If you are currently na married at this moment or pinapanood niyo ito, ikaw ay kasado na, this is your confirm na siya ang forever ninyo. Kahit may mga struggle talaga, again guys, in a relationship wala talagang perfecto. Lahat talaga may mga struggle, lahat ay may mga challenges. It's part of growth, no, sa relationship natin. What else pa, Spirit Team? Okay, tell us more about current situation ng part ng forever nila, Spirit Angels. Whoever watched this reading, current situation. Ano ang personality ng forever nila? Personality nila. Personality ng forever nila. Alright, a fighter. Okay? Alright, a fighter. A healer. Okay? Sometimes may mga, siya insecurity. May pagka-insecurity itong taong ito. Okay? Matapang. Yeah, adventurous. Marami siyang, lapitin siya ng mga admirer. Malakas ang nito, ang siksap pilang taong ito. Yeah. Caring, lover, maunawain, mapagmahal, iyakin din tang taong ito, yung personality niya, may pagkaiyakin din. A fighter, emotional, very emotional, may anxiety attack minsan, nahirapan makatulog, or somehow, siya yung taon na dinadamdam yung problema. Okay? What else pa? Personality ng forever nila, Spirit nito. Maka-Diyos, meron tayong maka-Diyos dito. Very spirituality. Again, your person could be dealing, or this person, or your forever ninyo, future, present, past, this person is dealing with their emotion, with their conflict, sa sarili nila. It's like may competition. Right now, your person is focusing on their future kasi meron siya mga responsibility, no? Parang ang kukumpetensya niya ngayon is yung sarili niya. Yeah, kinakalaban niya sarili niya, or something about like competition. No? Very challenging. Kasi sa ngayon siguro, itong taong ito, na-challenge siya sa hamon ng buhay niya. Kaya, nagpo-focus siya sa kinabukasan niya. Magta-travel, negosyante, or sa mindset niya, nagkakaroon siya siguro siya ng mentality problem or emotion. Sa emotion niya, kung ano na mga pinag-iisipan niya, or something about na, parang your person's like looking for clarity. Looking for an answer. Ano bang gusto niya sa sarili niya o sa buhay? Ano bang plano niya sa future niya? It's something about like, may nahanap siya parang hindi pa siya satisfied at this moment. Alright? Yeah, this person's very spirituality, high priestess. This could be like a shaman or a healer. You could be dealing with a healer, or again, maka-Diyos, nasabi ko na yan kanina. Yeah. Okay. I'm hearing like this person's very secretive, or I'm hearing like a romantic also. Secretive and romantic. Siya yung tao na hindi siya expressive sa nararamdaman niya, but through action. Magugulat ka na lang sa mga ginagawa niya. Something like that. Okay. Alright. Yeah. This person likes, napaka-neat, manamit. Neat, manamit, malinis, no? Malinis. Tapos, minsan may pagkaragi. Ragi, manamit. Minsan naman, again, habulin. Meron tayong habulin dito na napaka-charming, maganda, sexy, very talented, mahilig maggagala, mahilig magtatanong ng mga, something about question, mahilig magtanong-tanong. I'm also getting like, may pagka-nosy, no? Chismosa. But again, lahat naman talaga tayong dito noon may pagka-chismosa din. But it depende sa pagiging chismosa kasi minsan napaka ano na yung iba. Hindi na maganda yung pagiging nosy, no? So, this person is really like, wow, habulin talaga tong taong ito. Maganda manamit, talented, maganda ang boses, mahilig sumayaw or mahilig mag-zumba. Siguro nag-gym ito. Yeah. This person's like a go-getter, or this person could be like, again, yung iba sa inyo dito, mamimit mo siya through social media or sa pagta-travel niya. It's like a stranger. No, magiging stranger siya para sa inyo when you meet this person. It's like, you don't know, hindi mo siya kilala talaga because this person is not really vocal, hindi siya open, hindi siya masyado makwento. It's like, hindi makwento pero nosy. Yung pasikreto na inaalam yung anong storya ng taong ito, anong ganap, something like that. Yeah, that's confirm na siya ang forever ninyo. But then again, meron tayong ditong ex-partner, current partner, and future. Alright? Okay, this person's really a workaholic, sexy, meron kasi ditong parang naghahanap talaga siya ng kapartner niya. But then again, sa paghanap ng taong ito, ikaw ang mahanap niya sa pagta-travel niya. Meron itong unexpected mo siya makilala. Alright? Meron ditong may pagka-childish. Okay, so mix tayo, may pagka-childish and matured. Yeah. And workaholic. And parang may masakitin dito. You could be dealing with a person na masakitin. Yeah, masakitin or maybe at this moment, no, baka may mga nararamdaman siyang hindi maganda. Like again, an older person, a young person, matured and immature. Okay. Yeah, this person could be in a relationship, third party, and again, meron din ditong current situation ninyo na married ka na. If you are married, this is your forever. This is confirmed na siya ang forever ninyo. And meron naman tayo ditong ex-lover na siguro committed na siya, married na siya, until now this person is still thinking about you. Kaya lang nahirapan siya na to let go from the past and let go their current relationship kasi meron din ditong mga bata na involved eh. Alright? And meron naman dito na this person is like a traveler, LDR, long distance relationship, or nagtatrabaho abroad. And yeah. Mahilig itong tao ito sa pagta-challenge. May mga challenge eh. Parang challenge niya sarili niya. Pinapahirapan ba? Okay, this person's like may pagka shamanic healer. Okay. Yeah. I'm hearing like maginoo pero medyo bastos. Wow. Alright, ano pa? Alright, Spirit Team Angels, let us know more about the person na forever nila. More about the person na forever nila. Okay, clue. Give us more clue sa person na forever nila. Okay. So, we have here, okay, mataas ang tingin sa sarili. Ano ba yan? Okay, mahilig kumanta. Again, nasabi ko na yan kanina. Maganda ang boses. Mabigote. Okay, so we have here mabigote. Fashion show. Fashionista. Okay. Ano pa? So, X, confirm. Meron tayong X. Bugnutin. Yeah, siguro lately, bugnutin tong taong ito. Because your person is like dealing themselves. Yung parang pinapahirapan niya sarili niya eh. Agent, you could be dealing with an agent. Real estate. Yeah, real estate agent or an agent. Gemini. Okay. May mga anak, so confirm. This person have kids already. This could be a ama ng inyong mga anak or ina ng inyong mga anak. Ma-sex appeal, again, nasabi ko na yan kanina, ma-sex appeal, habulin, kalbo, bald, okay, walang buhok, matalino, may letrang B, okay, soldier, sundalo, again, an agent, police, a doctor, okay, nagyoyosi, this person like using yosi, again, meron siguro siyang, maybe your person's dealing with like addiction, ano, yeah, addiction is like sa pagyoyosi, alcoholic, or nagsusugal, high, yeah, mataas ang tingin sarili, high confident, malakas or mataas ang confidence sarili, may letter G, okay, may pagkamayabang, ano ba to? May pagkamayabang, mataas ang tingin sarili, alright, may katangkaran, alright, wow, ang ganda na naman ano ito, talagang habulin siya no kasi matangkad eh, actress, so fashionista, actress, mahilig sumayaw, kumanta, magandang boses, mahilig sa mga hayop, pet lover. Okay, so again, confirm, foreigner, yung iba sa inyo dito. Yan. Ano pa? Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels initials or numbers para sa ating mga viewers. Ang forever nila. Sino ito? Ang forever nila. Okay, we have A, E, U. Okay. We have L, Z, and G. Ano pa? We have letter D, R, T, again. Okay. LDR, letter T. Okay. So, ito yung mga name or initials nila somehow related sa, itong mga letter is related sa magiging forever ninyo or forever nyo na ngayon. So, what about the numbers? Alright. Let us know more numbers. So, we have here number 6. Okay. We have 6. Okay, hindi ko ito kukunin ito naka, 6, number 10, 5, 4. Okay. Okay, so we have here 10, 5, 6, 4. This person could be 45, 54, 46. Okay. 46, 56, or 1956. Masyadong matanda na to. Yung iba naman sa dito is maybe 1946, 56, or 10. Okay, 10. Wow, we have here letter I pa pala. Alright, so siguro born on October, May, April, or ano ba? June, or something about these days. Maybe siguro pinanganak sila nitong the 5, 10, 4, or 6. Again, kunin nyo lang guys, mga kapatid, kung baka nakasalamuhan nyo na itong taong ito, and then this is signs, sinyalis na siya ang forever ninyo. So, advice na tayo. Oh, you know what? Yes or no tayo bago mag-closing, bago mag-end yung reading natin. Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels. Okay guys, sa yes or no natin, pause nyo muna yung video and magtanong kayo itatanong ninyo sa barahan natin, and the answer will be yes, no, or maybe. So, pause nyo muna. Alright, ready? Spirit Guardian Angels, yes or no, maybe sa ating mga collective. Okay. Wow. The Hermit, or parang the Hermit talaga siya. Again, your person might be in spiritual challenges. May mga, meron siya mga pagsubok na kinakaharap ngayon. Itong taong ito. Or yung forever ninyo. So, siguro namatay ng hayop or family member. Or somehow na may nawala sa kanya. Or could be sa trabaho. Or nawalang, siguro may mga tao siya na nilet go. Or talagang itong taong ito ay nalulungkot. Deep down, itong taong ito ay naghanap talaga siya ng katanungan or justice. Yeah. Alright, so we have here no. Sa ngayon, kung ano itong tinatanong niyo mga kapatid, the answer is no. Alright? So, sadness, loss, grief, despair, abandonment, guilt, remorse, regret. Again, meron tayo ditong regret kanina. Guys, mga kapatid, this could be your ex, no, na siguro iba ang pinili niya instead of you, and then ngayon, nagsisisi siya dahil kahit na married na siya, ikaw pa rin ang iniisip niya. This person still holding on from the past memories, ano, even na may kanya-kanya na kayong mga pamilya. So, regret, trauma, bereavement, mourning, heartbreak, unwelcome change, emotional instability, focusing on loss. So, siguro hanggang ngayon, masakit, parang nasasaktan pa rin siya, something about nasaktan siya na nawalan, I could be nawalan ng trabaho, nawala ka sa buhay niya, or nawala, may mga tao siguro siya, or may mga tao na hindi na siya kinakausap, or something na pangyayari siguro na, until now this person, or, nagsisi pa rin siya. Or siguro sa environment niya na, wala siyang, parang bang binubully siya. Parang bang nilalayo siya sa mga tao. Something about na, it could be work-related o sa finances o sa pamilya. I'm getting like, parang, at this moment, this person is like, parang kinikick out siya sa environment niya. So, this could be sa work or sa pamilya or sa friendship, a group of friends siguro. But then again, iba-iba talaga yung mga challenges natin. This could be the challenge na kaharap ng person ninyo or your future person or present person or yung past person ninyo. So, advice na tayo from the universe. Spirit guiding just advice from. So again, meron tayong no, ha? Wag lang tayong magalit kung whatever you ask, guys, the answer is no. Alright, Spirit guiding just tell me more about, okay, advice. What is your advice sa current situation ng ating mga viewers? Advice, please. Okay. Parang ayaw naman magbigay ng advice ito. Okay, ito na. Deception. Someone is wearing a false self-mask in this relationship. So, again, meron tayo ditong third-party situation. This could be you or your past person or, again, this could be, again, malakas talaga dito yung third party, no? Na, if this person's already committed marriage, para bang napipilitan lang siya to be surrounded with the current partner, no? Napipilitan siya. But then again, this person still holding on. It could, marami siyang marami akong nakukuha ang energy dito mga kapatid, ha? Deception, no? Parang false mark, mask, hindi siya naging totoo. Hindi siya naging totoo sa karelasyon niya, o hindi siya naging totoo sa environment or sa mga tao sa paligid niya. It could be work-related. Like again, ito talaga malakas itong grief, loss, sadness. Yeah, para bang there's so much challenges. Parang itong taong ito is kaharap niya is yung sarili niya. Parang siguro may kinakarma dito. Yeah. Siguro you could be dealing with a person na sabihin natin na partner niyo na or married kayo, no, tapos naghanap ng iba, nakipagkarelasyon sa iba, and this person right now is dealing with their own karma, yung sarili nila. Yeah. Okay, so deception, someone is wearing false self-mask in this relationship. Meron talaga hindi naging totoo. This could be your current person, this could be you, or this could be your future person. Somehow, this person have this realization, hindi naging totoo. Yeah. Kasi meron din ditong, hindi siya naging totoo sa mga tao sa paligid niya, kahit sarili niya, hindi siya naging totoo. And that's why this person is like, hindi niya talaga kilala, pati sarili niya, hindi pa niya kilala ang sarili niya. Para bang nagkakaroon siya ng, may nahanap siya eh. Ano ba talaga ang makapagpapasaya sa kanya? Kasi, meron kasi dito na ex na, pagka iniisip mo siya, or pagka iniisip niya, ikaw, nawawala itong problema niya. Kaya lang, mayroon ditong denial. Denial sa nararamdaman niya. Denial sa mga sitwasyon niya. Denial dahil kinarma na siya. Denial dahil nabago ang mga tao sa paligid niya. It's because this person, hindi siya naging totoo. Alright? So, hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. Sana ay nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito at pasensya na medyo bitin. Again, collective reading po ito. Hindi po ito sa isang tao lang. Para to sa lahat. Kung whoever Kung sino sa inyo ang nakakaintindi dito sa mga pinagsasabi ko, para to sa inyo. Kung hindi naman, then hindi to para sa inyo. Alright? So, I love you guys. I hope to see you guys on my next reading at mag-ingat po ka palagi and God bless.